Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the PlayStation 4 Slim. The problem is that it heats up very quickly. No problem. Let's fix it. First of all, you will need a T9 security screwdriver to open the PS4. Unscrew it back screw. Remove the hard disk cover with the help of an opener. Unscrew the screw. And eject the hard disk. Open the front cover with the help of an opener. Unscrew all the screws. The back panel will also be opened with the help of an opener. You can see how much dust will accumulate in the back panel. Unscrew all the screws. Disconnect the network wire. Disconnect all connectors. And take out its metal cover also. Unscrew both screws of the graphic IC protector.
वारंटी में है ना आपका?
Clean the frame thoroughly. You will also clean the metal protector. We will clean the back panel as well. Remove the power supply using an opener. Disconnecting the power supply's connector from the motherboard will remove the motherboard. You can see how much dust has accumulated on the heat sink. We'll clean it thoroughly. clean the fan as well. Unscrew the fan. Clean the frame thoroughly and clean the fan. Clean the motherboard thoroughly and apply thermal paste to the graphics card. Also, a thermal pad should be put on the heatsink. And we'll attach the motherboard to the heatsink. We will attach the fan to the frame and put its screws. Attach the motherboard to the frame as well. We will also attach the power supply. Connect the connector of the power supply. Tighten the screws of eye protector. Install the metal cover and tighten its screws. Connect all connectors. Connect the network wire as well. Tighten all front screws. Install the front panel. Install the back panel as well. Install the hard drive and tighten its screws. Put the hard drive cover back on. Tighten the back screw as well. Let's check it. Plug in the power cable. Turn on, plug in the HDMI cable and test it. You can see it is turned on. If you are facing any problem related to PS4, then contact us. Let's meet again in a new video. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.